Hello everyone, my name is Indah Kavianti, and today I'm going to present a topic entitled Explaining and Analyzing Nouns in Clauses and Adjective Clauses. Through this presentation, I will explain how nouns function within different types of clauses and how they contribute to sentence structure and meaning. To begin, let's review what a noun is. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or ideas. Function as subject, object, or complement. Grammatically, nouns play several important roles. They can function as the subject, the object, or complement of a sentence. For example, in the sentence, the teacher explained the lesson clearly. But teacher and lesson are nouns performing distinct syntactic function. Noun praise and their roles. Nouns often appear not alone but as part of larger structure, called a noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of a head noun and its modifier, such as adjectives, determiners, or prepositional phrase. For example, in the sentence, the diligent student studies linguistics. The phrase, the diligent student, is a noun phrase acting as the subject. In another example, I admire the student's determination. The noun phrase, the student's determination, function as the object of the verb admire. Understanding noun phrase help us recognize how information is expanded and specified in the sentence. Nouns in clauses or noun clauses. A noun can also take the form of a clause, which we call a noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun within a larger sentence. It is commonly introduced by markers such as that, what, who, whether, if, how, why, or where. For instance, what you said is true. Here, what you said functions as the subject. In I believe that he will come. The clause that he will come is the object of the verb believe. And in the fact is that he lied. The clause that he lied functions as a complement. Each of these examples show how noun clauses perform the same grammatical. Understanding adjective clauses. Next, let's move to the adjective clauses, also known as relative clauses. An adjective clause modifies a noun by giving additional or identifying information about it. These clauses are usually introduced by relative pronouns such as who, whom, whose, which, or that. For example, the student who studies linguistics is hardworking. The clause who studies linguistics provides essential information about which student is being referred to. Adjective clauses allow us to add detail without creating a completely new sentence. Relationship between nouns and adjective clauses. The connection between nouns and adjective clauses is very close. The noun that the clause modifies is called the antecedent. Adjective clauses can be divided into two types, defining and non-defining clauses. A defining clauses gives essential information that identifies the noun, such as the book that you give me is interesting. Meanwhile, a non-defining clause adds extra information and is separated by commas. For example, my father, who is a teacher, loves reading. Recognizing the distinction helps us write sentences with precision and clarity. Analyzing complex structures. Let us now analyze how these elements interact in a complex sentence. Consider the example. The article that you recommended explains what pragmatic means. In this sentence, that you recommended is an adjective clause, modifying the noun article, and what pragmatics mean is a noun. Clause functioning as the object of the verb explains. This combination shows how multiple clause types can coexist within one sentence, creating grammatical complexity and richer meaning. Understanding this structure is essential for advanced syntactic and semantic analysis. Conclusion and reflection. To conclude, nouns are central to sentence construction and meaning. They can appear as a single noun, as single words, noun phrases, or entire noun clauses. Adjective clauses, on the other hand, modify nouns and provide additional or defining information. Together, they form the backbone of complex English sentence structures. By understanding how nouns function in clauses and how adjective clauses modify them, we can analyze and produce more precise and academic writing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this explanation helped you gain a deeper understanding of the topic.